How to send big videos on Telegram. First of all, open up your file manager and locate your video. Now select the video you want to send and tap on three dots. Now tap on rename. Now clear .mp4 and type .zip. Now tap on OK. Now go back and select archives. Now select the file and tap on send. Now select Telegram. Now select the chat and tap on send. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a bonding question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.